Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Well, in this episode, we're going to take a look at this new product called the UDrone. This is a drone that you control with your brain. You don't fly it with your fingers, you fly it with your brain by wearing this little headset down here. This is on the Indiegogo website. They're looking for funding because it is new technology. So I'm going to put a link below if it's something you think you like, because you'll know that if you see it working here, because I have not opened it or tried it. Then go check out their Indiegogo website and fund it so this can come to market. Right now what we're going to do is open this box and check out what you get inside. You can see you get two boxes inside. One obviously is the drone and one obviously is the headset. Let's pull these out and see what you get. Very quickly, I'm going to open this box to check out the drone, then we'll go with the headset. The box has a magnetic opening. Let's open it up. We will see the drone inside, which is this one. Put the battery in the back. A micro SD goes right here to record 1080p video. You charge it right here. It has a really good camera and a very good flight dynamics. It moves very slow and takes really good videos. So this should work quite well. Also included in the box, you get a USB cable for charging, spare props, the battery, and your prop guards. Now we're going to take a look at the other box. Let's open the headset, which is how this whole thing is controlled. I wonder if you could use this for something else in science. Let's see. So let's check that out. So we see on the sides, it's got a little bit of decorative, looks like holes here. There's a USB. I don't know if that's a speaker or a microphone, not really sure. That is a USB for charging, I would assume. On this side, you also have a hole. So a hole here, a hole there. Not sure what they do. Let's look closer at it. Up here, it looks like a power button. So there's gyros in this portion, which goes just over your ears to detect your motion of your head moving from any angle. But on the front, if I get that close, check that out. On the front right here, looks like copper metal. It's a copper metal band. I'm not sure if that's what the material is, but that's going to detect electrical impulses from your brain across the front of your head. Now, one thing that's very interesting to note is in this box here, you get another LiPo battery, and this is the one that came with the drone, and this is the one that came with the headset. They're identical. So in other words, they give you two batteries for the drone for longer flight time. You also get a USB charging cable to charge up your headset and fly from there. Now, I know the question everybody has is, does this work or is this a gimmick? Well, I have no idea, but I'm about to try it. So I'm going to charge everything up and I'm going to go fly this and we'll see if it actually works. Check it out. All right, I've got the UDrone down here and I'm about to try it out for the first time. Guess what? It comes with two sets of instructions. Both are not in my language. They are in some Asian language. But the app I figured out, I just typed in UDrone in the Google Play Store and I got the app and I've got a screen record going on, so hopefully you can see it. This is what it shows. It shows you how to put the battery in, propellers. We don't really care about this, how to put on the prop guards, put the SD card in, connect your Wi-Fi. I haven't done that. Here we go. This is what I want. Put your little headband on. Press the power button of this here thing. So that's that. For 2 seconds to turn it on. Press the power button. I did. Metal electrode stick to the forehead. I have to take my glasses off. Make your concentration greater than 150 for 2 seconds. Can make your drone take off. Icon of U-mine status. Battery. Okay, so connected and poor signal. Well, my brain is probably poor signal. All right, put you on my head. Okay, I see my brain number moving. Okay, I'm blind, guys. I don't have my glasses on, so I'll go to Zen. Oh my god, it works! It freaking works! Okay. Oh, I better not look up because that makes it go up. Hang on. Oops. And somehow I just told it to take a picture by using my brain. I wasn't thinking take a photo, but it took a photo. Alright. Okay, that was pretty cool. It works. All you have to do, apparently, is I didn't think it was working. You just have to be very still and very quiet. Let me try that again. Alright, we're up. I'm staying still this time. Let's try this. To the right. Gonna move. There we go. To the left. There we go. I'm keeping my eyes straight. To the left. Oh, that donging is like it's dinner time. And I took a picture again. I didn't tell you to take a picture. I must be thinking, I want to take a video this time. Okay, I want it to go up. Up, 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 up. Up. Oh, that's forward. That's forward. Oh, this is backwards. There we go. All right, the UDrone. Check this out. Here's a close-up. You've probably seen this drone before because I have reviewed it. It was called the Thi, and it's got a little optical flow sensor there for stability, so it really is a good drone and a really good camera. Now, I did some filming with this drone, just using the drone itself to film, and you can see I'm playing it now as I'm chatting away here. It's flying over me, and the image is quite stable, and it is a very good 1080p filming drone. What I'll do is I'll put links below where you can find out more information about this here product. I do not know if it's available, but if it is, it will be in the links below. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this video. It's pretty cool. I like getting different products. And if you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up, and more videos on the way with more cool products. Take care.